how to change the sleep schedule on your Garmin watch. Now this is really useful to enable the night mode on your watch at specific times of the day. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do this on the Garmin watch itself, but you can also do this through the Garmin app on your phone. So what we're going to do is just go and hold down the middle button on the left hand side of your watch, and this will go and bring up the settings window. You can then scroll all the way down this page and you need to go and select system. Then scroll down again and you'll see the option for sleep mode. Go and click on this, then click on schedule. And then you can go and select the days that you want to change the schedule for. So I'm just going to click on this top one here, Sunday to Monday. So over on the left hand side, this is the time that you want to enable the sleep mode. And on the right hand side, this is when you want the sleep mode to deactivate. So I've got mine set to 9 o'clock PM and it's going to stop the night mode at 6 o'clock AM. So during this period, night mode will be activated. So this will go and turn off all of your notifications and just basically put the watch in night mode. Now you can use your finger to rotate around the clock to change the time. Once you've got the time set, just click on the tick icon. You can then choose to apply this schedule to more days by pressing the tick icon, and you can then go and select additional days that you want to set this night mode schedule for. Once you're finished, just press the tick icon again, and that's how to change the sleep schedule on your Garmin watch.